January 29th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, to err is human, to forgive is divine. My daughters, you must remember you have been sanctified by me, chosen for these times, my little ones. If there's ever a time you must be strong, it is now. Do not doubt yourselves. Do not doubt I am there for each of you. It is crucial you spend time with me each and every day. Satan is the mighty discourager and will do all he can to create doubt and, yes, even fear. It was not by chance I had each of you listen to the video on the rapture. Do you not see I will always confirm that which I have been telling you? You must understand the enemy will do whatever he can to create obstacles, barriers to that which is of my spirit. My chosen are under attack as never before. Come to me when you are weary, and I will renew your strength. I am the greatest problem solver of all times. You must believe in me as I believe in each of you. Do you remember when you saw me in the Safeway store, my daughters? Yes, it was I, and I know you can do this job. Do not lament over yesterday, nor focus on tomorrow. When you are in my presence, you must be fully engaged, immersing yourselves in me. Limit, therefore, that which is of the exterior, that which interrupts the time you need with me. I will lead each of you to the still waters within. I long to spend this time with you, my daughters. When you do not feel my presence, it is not because I am not here. It is because you have left me. These times are not for the faint of heart. Yet you must trust you are indeed protected by my breastplate. When you are in constant communion with me, you will know what to do and when to do it. I am a God of right resolution, yet for that to occur, all must allow their higher selves to prevail. The closer you walk with me, the more Christ-like you will become. Yet, you must always remember you are human and subject to attacks. Rest in me, my daughters. When you are anxious, know this: I am a master of all things. There is naught I do not know about each of my children. I look at the conditions of your hearts, and yes, your intentions. Think on this then. My motives always reflect my intentions. Strive for this, my daughters, for this is how you refine that which needs attending to. Tomorrow is a new day, yet tomorrow may never come for some. Therefore, make certain you have your priorities in order. Those who do not truly know me cannot understand your hearts, nor the purity you strive for. Keep your hearts, minds, and souls on the heavens above. Soon I will return for my faithful. Touch one another's hearts with love and kindness. There is naught to fear when I am by your side. You must always allow your souls to assume their rightful position. And yes, you must eliminate that which muddles the mind. Wendy, I saw the tears in your eyes as you listened to Sister Claire in the airport. All is well, my daughters. What I have put together, let no man tear apart. Rejoice in the knowledge you have been given. Rejoice in this sacred time. Do not belabor over that which you cannot change. Remember, I use all things in all ways. Center yourselves in all that is good and holy. Be ever mindful, I am in your midst, for that is how I can protect you in these times. You are seeing more and more evil exposed every day. Satan will do all he can to strike at my chosen. You will see the more time you spend with me, the stronger you will become. I will be sending those of like minds and spirits to you. Go now and reflect on the words I have spoken.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 118 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.